Assalamu alaikum. Hi all my brother and sister. Very well. I will come back another incoming site. So I will introduce you before I introduce my channel. So my channel name is Crypto and Travel News. Here is uploaded crypto uh, news every day, and also uploaded travel site which I visited. So in future travel related video and information in every uploaded video. So you can get information. So you can subscribe my channel, and beside the all bell icon button, then you will firstly receive all notification. So I have another channel which name is Telegram group. My Telegram group name is BTCS Satoshi gift card exchange. If you are a core mining hash power exchange, then you can also share this my Telegram group. You can also exchange your hash card, and otherwise you can collect it your if you needed hash card from my site. So I hope you will joining my Telegram group, and here is in any information here. So please join now. So I go to my subject which I before you. It's a new site. It's a doggy mining site. So this site name is WinsDX. It's is age 1-2 days. So you firstly joining now. So I hope you can you can withdraw from this site easily. So how to join this, I proceed in this tutorial video. So you can firstly joining here my this site. So what do you know? I also uploaded this video. This video description have a joining link if you easily joining here. So if you my joining with link, then you get 25 doggy free mine Dogecoin automatic. Okay, otherwise not. Okay, so please when I press the login press the login link, then you come to register option. Okay, here is other information here. Here is a 6 plan. You can also buy bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. This is the 30 days plan. Okay, so if you can choose any plan if you choose. Okay, have you any question? Here is your answer here. Here is a withdraw minimum 10 Dogecoin Mr. Media. Okay, they also secure. Here is other information: automatic with or without investing, just register and enjoy our service. So we it's free investment site and instant withdraw. They they will seek they also ask you. Okay, so now joining register button, please your username. Okay, I also type here. Please stay with me and show you how to fill up this blank uh, blank site. Your username, email, two types password. So here is a sum here, so you can also write answer. So press the, if you ensure this, then this better press the register button. Okay, I am waiting. Yes, it's my dashboard. So here is your affiliate address. I also sent you when video uploaded, then video description, this link, and you also press this link and get the 25 gigahash power. Okay, free mining. So my mining time free plan 30 days. Okay, so if one day after day will be passed, then it will be fill up again. Okay, so payment, no payment record, affiliated, no record. If you're joining, then you show affiliated you in your site. So other was you can three dot menu option, deposit option. If you deposit this option, press your deposit option. It is this link your wallet and press down. At least 30 doggy. You can active your you can your hash power will increase. Okay, then another option, withdraw option. Here is a address, amount, doggy address need, and also amount minimum 10. Okay, so if you minimum 10 doggy and withdraw option. So other profile here here, so you can change your password. Other option, support. Here is a support option. You can any information needed, the online support here. Okay, so contact, you type here hello, I have shows you as the information if you need it. Okay, so here is a Facebook and Telegram group and other option. You can choose this, any health fair, please click this option. So I please join now very quickly and earning Dogecoin easily. So so no more today. Please pray for me to Allah. So and every time remember Allah. So join now and take care yourself. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.